The advantage of this flexible uteroscopy or RARS is that for patients they don't have any mark on their body. It is completely woundless. For a male patient, we go through the penile urethra and break up to the kidney. We reach with this flexible uteroscopy and break it. For the female also, we go through the natural orifice. There is no wound, there is no bleeding, there is no other complication. We don't place any stent, and in single day the procedure is done. Even on the same day evening, patient can go home. The sixth advantage is a complete clearance of the stone in a single sitting. How much ever stones are there in the kidney, then this is one thing which does not cause any injury to the kidney. Like the other methods like shockwave and PCNL are injuring the kidney by giving shock or putting a keyhole incision into the kidney, which can cause bleeding, pain and lot of problems. This procedure will not have any of these problems. Another advantage is that many stones will remain in many of the small calyces or small areas where the stone in the kidney, stone producing areas of the kidney, which is not reachable by any other method at the present scenario for stone surgery. With this flexible uteroscopy, you can break all the stones in any places which can be located in both the kidneys, wherever the stone is present, and it can be completely cleared in one sitting. And one more thing is that after many patients have come after lot of procedures, post laparoscopy, post PCNL, post shockwave, where many stones are remaining in the kidney, which they have no other means to remove from the remaining kidney. Sometimes patient will get 10 to 12 shockwave lithotripsy, still the stones will not be removed, which with this method in a single day that stone can be removed and given to the patient by hand.